You're so lucky. You get to play with dogs all day for a living. This is a common phrase we hear as pet business owners. Hidden truths are that we actually work 10 to 14-hour days, have no real vacations, are physically exhausted, possibly dealing with constant noise like barking or meowing, and then there's the emotional labor for all of the anxious owners, and you know who I'm talking about. And let's not forget what I often refer to myself as the piss, poop, and puke specialist. All of this can build resentment towards our clients, resentment towards the animals that we're taking care of, resentment for the business that you once loved. And I know the stakes of this feeling because when you reach this point, it feels worse than failure. When you trap yourself in a place that you can't get out, it feels as if you have painted yourself into a corner and the paint will never dry. And if you can relate to feeling trapped in your business and having the resentment that, nobody wants to talk about, and you don't want to close your business, but you're still looking for an escape route, one that helps you work less but earn more and actually enjoy what you do for a living again, then make sure you follow, subscribe, or hit like because I spill all the secrets on my channel for free.